Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diana. I'm back, and I know it's been a few weeks since I uploaded, and I hate that. I hate that school holds me back from putting out as much content as I would like to. But you know, school comes first, but at the same time, I don't want to leave you guys hanging, I feel bad about going so long without uploading because I actually care about you guys, I care about my subscribers. But this morning, I woke up and I was like, I want to make fried Oreos. I've never made them before, so, I don't know if it's going to turn out well, but yeah, I don't know, we'll see. So that's what I'm going to do today, and I'm just going to vlog the whole thing and, hopefully get a video out of it, because actually this week I tried filming another video. It had to do with Halloween, so I can't put it up anymore because things just didn't go as planned, and I ended up not being able to upload it. And if you follow me on my Instagram, you would know that I was pissed. I posted on my stories that I was mad AF because I was like, I already set up everything and then it didn't work out, so I was mad. But today I'm gonna vlog and take you guys with me. Me and my sister are gonna go. I'll see you guys in the supermarket. We're gonna try and find the Oreos. I don't know where anything is because I'm not here a lot, so I don't know. Okay, we got the Oreos. We're gonna look for the powdered sugar. So we got everything. We got the Oreos, the powdered sugar, the frying oil, and then also the croissant dough. I also got oat milk. And now we're gonna go pay for our stuff and go home. Okay guys, so we got everything, but it took so long to find everything. Oh my god! I think we spent like an hour in there, but we're now on our way back home, and then we're gonna make them. Twins. Okay guys, so we're back home now, and I'm gonna start making the fried Oreos. I gotta open this, but I don't know. How do you open this? Like this, I think. It's exploding. So opening this up, and then just gonna take this out. So you take the Oreo, just gonna take the Oreo and put it like this. I think I'm just gonna make like squares out of it, like this. Then I'm just gonna cut it up. Pull every corner to the center and just push down the dough so that it sticks, on to the next batch because I don't have that much space on this plate. Okay, cut it up. I'm just using a butter knife because I don't want to get like stripes into the plate, the baking platter. I just finished covering all of them with croissant dough, and I made 24. I just counted them. So these are 24 Oreos, and I used 2 tins of croissant dough. So I don't know, if you're not sure how much to get, just buy 2 tins. There's 14 Oreos in 1 pack, so these are 24. So I'm gonna put them in the freezer for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna fry them. I'm kind of excited. Okay, so I just took them out of the freezer, and now I'm gonna fry them. I already heat up the oil. I don't know how long I did that, and I'm not sure if the oil is hot enough, but we'll see when we put them in. So, okay. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. As you can see, the oil is definitely hot enough. Luckily, oh my gosh, because I thought it wasn't going to be hot enough, but it is. Ladies and gents, we have a winner right here. Oh my god. Okay. I hope they don't explode though, because they look like they finna explode. That's faster. Oh my god, these look and smell so good, y'all. I'm not even kidding. And they feel flaky. Like super crunchy. Putting in the second batch. I might be onto freaking something. Second batch done. Guys, these look gorgeous. Oh my god, they look so good. I hope they taste good. I haven't tasted them, but they came out so good. Oh my god, I'm excited to eat them. Okay, so I just finished making them like 15 minutes ago, and they're all cooled down and everything, and my sister tried it and she said it was really, really good. So now I'm gonna let my mom try, my brother, my other sister, my other 2 sisters, and see what they think. Wat vind je ervan?
Lekker.
Is het zo of zo?
Zo.
Oh! Guys. This would taste good with a cold glass of milk. Almond milk, soy milk, whatever milk you want. Cow's milk. Rice milk. Guys, this is really good. I would not lie to you guys if it wasn't. Okay guys, so obviously the fried Oreos were a success. My mom liked them, my brother liked them, my sisters liked them. Everybody liked them. Well, I don't know if my dad will like them because he's not home, and he doesn't really eat that kind of stuff. I don't know, maybe he'll like it. Who knows? But I just want to say that I had a good day today. I'm super tired right now, but I'm gonna go take a shower. And did I already tell you guys the Oreos were good? I think I did. I recommend you guys try it. And yeah, I guess. Oh, before I forget, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment if you want. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I enjoyed vlogging today. I think I already said that, but I don't know, but whatever. I enjoyed vlogging today. I'll see you guys. I hope I'll see you guys next time. Bye.